Welcome to Flavors and Fragrance recipes. Today we are making red tomato pasta. So let's begin. Boil water in the pan. After the water is boiled, add any pasta of your choice. Here I'm adding penne pasta. You can add even spaghetti. And now we are going to cook this pasta until it's completely done. Okay, now I'm mixing well and we are going to cook this pasta until it's completely done. You can cover the lid on this and cook the pasta till it's done. Okay, so let's see if our water and pasta is boiling. Yes, it's boiling, but we are going to cook it for some more time. Let's cover the lid. Let's check if the pasta is cooked. Otherwise, cook it until it's cooked completely. We can even drizzle some olive oil into this so that it doesn't become sticky. And we are also going to add a little bit of salt. Not much, very little. So as you can see, it's not yet cooked, so I'm going to cover it and cook it till it's completely done. I'm going to take out the lid and just cook it like this, no problem. Okay, so let's see if our penne is cooked, and I think it is cooked because it looks like this. The entire water is gone, evaporated, and now I'm going to just check it once and I'm going to switch off my flame and I'm going to drain this pasta in cold water under the cold water tap, and then we are going to mix it with pesto. Let's just see if it's cooked. Okay, it's cooked. So I'm going to put off my flame now and we'll just drain and get back to the cooking. Okay, so now I'm going to put some butter in the pan and I'm going to put my pasta first, and then I'm going to put the pesto sauce. So this is the pesto sauce which I have made already and kept in my refrigerator. The pesto sauce is made with tomatoes, basil leaves, olive oil, garlic, pine nut or walnut and Parmesan cheese, and it is usually very thick and it stays well for many days in the refrigerator. If you want, you can even buy ready-made Sundried tomato pesto sauce. So now let's add our pasta which we have drained and cooled down. This is our pasta and I'm going to add it slowly. Okay, so first we are going to add the drained, cooled down penne pasta on the butter, and then we are going to mix it well. I am also going to add some black olives along with the sauce that I've made, and I'm also going to add some cherry tomatoes. So let me add some cherry tomatoes first, and now I'm going to add my sauce, the red sauce, and we are going to mix it, and then we are going to cook it for some 5-10 minutes. You can even cook this in the microwave, and then we have to serve it hot. So let me just mix it. So I'm mixing the pasta sauce and the pasta. I've already put my sun-dried tomatoes and I'm going to add some black olives. Black olives are very good for the pasta, and you can also add other veggies, but today I'm not adding any veggies. I'll be adding only this black olives, and you can also add mozzarella cheese or cheddar cheese on this. Whichever you like, that is also optional. And this black olives are from Del Monte, and that's it. Basically it's going to be a pesto pasta, penne pasta, and now I'm just going to heat this up on my gas, cover the lid, heat it up till it's nicely heated up, and then we will plate it. Okay, so our penne pasta is ready. Serve hot. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you again with some new interesting recipe.